Ladies and gents of YouTube, welcome. Today is Wednesday, March 4th of 2026. And in today's job, I'm going to do this. This is part of a neon sign. This is supposed to be like an R. I don't have the photo of the complete sign, but it says it's got this in red, and then on the side it says light. So this is okay. It says it's from a red Rainier sign. The owner of this, he traced it, and he sent me this by mail, and he's from Washington. He gave me the name of the city, but I don't understand what it says. It says something like Wenatchee, Washington. So this is the job. So let us start. Before I start, let me tell you that I am genuinely worried, because, and probably everybody is worried because of the things that are happening right now in the world. You know, in other words, the boat is being rocked, and it's not, and it's the world boat that is being rocked. And I won't say anything, but the only thing that I'll say is, I live about 4 miles from Camp Pendleton. I live about 53 miles northeast of San Diego. So Camp Pendleton, you know, it's a big base, military base. Down San Diego, big naval base. So if for some reason, you know, there's a nuclear war, and they target these two bases, well, that'll be the end of my glass bending time. That's why I'm worried. Never been worried like this before. My whole family lives here in California. All close by, so we would all be affected. I don't know if I've explained in the past, because I forget what I've said in the past. I may be repeating myself, but that's okay. I don't like to repair beer signs. If they're local and they bring the beer sign, if it's a mercury unit, I don't repair them. If it's a neon-filled unit, I may repair it. It all depends on how old it is, because glass gets very brittle with time. So sometimes it's a waste of time trying to repair a neon unit because it keeps on breaking. Now, if I have to ship the neon, then I do this. I tell the client to draw me, trace me the part that needs to be made. If I'm going to ship it, for sure, I'm going to make it new because, like I say, most of the beer signs are old, very brittle. You know, you try to ship them, and they break. Even if you ship just the part that's going to be made, shipping the whole sign, that's suicide for the sign. That's why most of the people that don't live here, close by, they send me this, a drawing of the neon sign traced. And it's very easy to trace it. Once you take it out of the sign, this is part of another sign. This is another one that I'm doing, but this one's local. It's a Molson neon sign. And let's say this is a part you want to trade, you want to make new. So you just put it on a piece of paper. You put it on the paper, and with a pencil, you trace it, drawing it on the paper. You go all around. You trace every single little detail, including the electrode. You have to draw the electrode because you want the electrode in the same spot that it used to be. So you're able to wire it exactly where it used to be. So you just trace it like this. Like I'm doing right now. I'm doing it a little bit fast, just for the demonstration. And this traced part is going to make my pattern. I just tell the people that want the new section made, I just tell them to write down their information, you know, their name, address, telephone number, and the color of the neon when it used to light up. That's it. If you want a neon section to be made, just trace it and send me this by mail. You know the paper tray, the drawing. You send it by mail, and I'll make it, and then I'll ship it back to you. That's it. I forgot to say something. If it's, let's say if it's a word like the Budweiser that I just made, where's the pattern? I had it here somewhere. Well, it was a Budweiser, but it was in two pieces. Bud was one section, and then Weiser was the next one, because it was about this long. So it was in two sections. So the person told me that only one of the sections was broken. So I told him, if I only make one section, it was a white Budweiser. If I only make it one section, the new one will be a different tone of white than the other one. So he would have had a Budweiser made in two tones of white. Plus, the new one would be a lot brighter than the old one. So I told him the best thing to do is to make both, the complete Budweiser, complete new. So that's what I did, and I already shipped it. So consider that also if you want a section made. If you have several sections, for example, that are yellow, it's a sign that has several sections and they're yellow, and one of the yellow sections broke. Well, the new yellow section is going to be a different tone of yellow, because every manufacturer of neon signs, they all had a different tone. Most of the time they're painted on the outside, and each manufacturer had a different tone of yellow. So impossible to replicate the same tone. So you have to be aware of that also, that if I make a new section, it's going to be a different tone. I forgot, east about, I'd say about 20 miles east, there's a big Air Force base. It's called Marsh Air Force Base, one of the largest probably. So I'm surrounded by military bases. What can we do? Nothing. We cannot do nothing. Done. Now to the pump.